Hey guys, what's up? This is Sinan from Sinan's Beys, and as you have seen in the thumbnail guys, today we're going to create a Beys Stadium with this thing guys. As you can see, yeah guys, after a long time, or should I say after a year guys, finally I'm making a Beys Stadium again. First of all guys, I have got this thing from a local garbage shop guys. Yeah, by chance, or you can say by luck, I just got this guys, because honestly guys, it's actually very rare to get this thing. So guys, here as you can see a Beyblade X Beyblade, and you can clearly imagine the size guys. Yeah, it's actually pretty much huge Beys Stadium for sure. And from the side you can see it's actually a little bit curved from the center. So yeah, better option for making a Beyblade Stadium. So okay, so guys, we already have the Beys Stadium, and we can easily do battles in this stadium, but still it is not actually fully ready, because if I do battles in this Beys Stadium, the Beyblade will get self-KO very easily. So to prevent that and to stop that, I'm going to use these guys as you can see, and these are called actually hose pipes, which you can easily get from the local markets in electric shops. And yeah, if you don't want to use these guys, you can also use these things guys, as you can see, the pipes, but I really recommend you to use this guys, because it's actually fully solid guys, and you can bend it however you want, and also very good quality guys. So I really recommend you to use this. So yeah, wow, black Beyblade stick. Okay guys, here as you can see, yeah guys, as I have told you guys, it's actually really is flexible and very good quality, and you can bend it however you want like this as you can see. So let's just quickly stick it on the Beys Stadium and also make the other borders. Okay, let me just resize it. So we just need this much. Okay, here we go guys, let's just quickly stick it around the disc like this way. Okay, so hi guys, what's up? This is Sinan from Sinan's Beys. Make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel for okay guys, we have a small issue here, because I tried to stick the hosepipe with glue stick as you can see, but it's coming out, I don't know how. So yeah, this is a huge issue. Okay, this will be the bottom part, and now we are going to stick the borders. So let's just quickly do that, and let's just keep it to dry. Okay, so now I'm going to attach another hose pipe. Okay, here you go, assembly like this way, like I did before. Okay, now it's time to add glue to stick it on the disc. And just look at that guys, our Beys Stadium is looking so beautiful. Not bad guys, really looking like an arena based stadium. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and please make sure to like this video if you haven't liked it man. Come on guys, so guys, we have another issue here. So I don't know guys, suddenly my glue gun just stopped working, and I don't know guys, the trigger is not even working properly, and I can clearly see that the glue is coming out from this side, and that's why the trigger just got jammed. So yeah, now this glue gun is almost useless, so I will fix it later. Wow guys, this glue gun is really much better than my before one. Wow, this one is perfect. Okay, let me just quickly remove the tape. We just don't need the tape anymore. Oh, I'm out of glue stick. Okay guys, finally guys, we are done sticking on the disc like this. So as you can see, wow, we are looking very cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, let's just keep it to dry, but still our stadium is fully not done yet. We have to do more. Here we go. Now guys, it's time to add the 3 borders. So I'm going to add 3 borders guys, and 3 pockets. So these, you can see the pockets guys, these will be the ring out finish pockets. I hope you all understand. So I'm going to stick it like this way. Okay, let me just quickly show you that. I just did a small mistake here, as you can see. I don't know you can notice or not, but you can clearly see these two are looking perfect, but this is a little bit shorter. I don't know guys, I think by mistake I just had cut this hose pipe a little bit shorter, so I'm using another one to complete the extra part, as you can see, like this way. More better looking, I'm going to attach a little bit more hose pipes like this, as you can see. Here we go. Now let's just quickly stick it guys, and yeah, as you can see, it will look something like this after sticking. Okay, now let's just keep it to dry, and see you all tomorrow.
The next day.
Take 2. So hey guys, what's up? So here's our Beys Stadium guys, which I was able to make this much yesterday. So yeah, as you know guys, yesterday I was actually almost out of hose pipes. I was not able to cover this sides, as you can see, these areas. So I just bought some new hose pipes like this one guys, as you can see. Okay, let's just quickly stick it around the Beyblade Stadium like this to make it look much more better. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Let's just stick it with hot glue. So I don't know what to do with this, guys, but yeah, I can do this. So hey guys, what's up? Make sure to subscribe this channel for new and like this video. Here we go, guys. Wow, guys, just look at that from the side, guys. It's looking really cool. And yeah, here's the center. I know, guys, if this could be a white color, it could be much better. I don't know what did I say. Okay, guys, here we go. Here's our Beyblade Stadium. Now it's fully ready for Beyblade battles, but still, I know it's really looking like a Beys Stadium, but yeah, guys, not getting the feeling of a real Beys Stadium, because guys, we still have one thing to do, and that is a plus shape and a circular mark, you know. So okay, let's just quickly do that, guys. Unfortunately, I don't have a scale to do that, because you know the lines really need to be fully straight, and also the circular line. But still, yeah. Oh, here we go.
What?
This one looks perfect for making a scale. I mean, a scale. There it is, guys. Let's do it.
That's what I'm talking about!
Okay, and to be honest, guys, I'm not that much great in adding lines, especially on stadium. Okay, let's just give it a try. There we go. Okay, guys, let me know how's the plus icon. Yeah, not that much great, but I tried my best. Now let's just keep a circular line to complete our Beys Stadium. Okay, guys, here we go. Here you have our new Beys Stadium. Yeah, the circular line is not actually at the right area, as you can see, little bit right sided. I don't know, but yeah, it's a Beys Stadium now. Three, two, one. Three, two, one, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And as you know, guys, this is a huge Beys Stadium, as you can see. So yeah, we can call it as an arena anime Beys Stadium, dive version, you know. And yeah, not only 2, guys, you can also launch more than 2 Beys, as you can see. Here we go. So yeah, Battle Royale Beyblade X. Whoa, ring of finish. Not bad, not bad. Here we go, spin finish. Water Beyblade X. Whoa! Subscribe.
So just do it!